Hi guys, this is Gaurang and we are back with a Python question practice. Here's the Geeks for Geeks question and let's start it. Zero converter Python. You are given a number, the number can be negative or positive. If n is negative, print n to 0 by adding 1. Okay. If positive, print numbers n minus 1 by subtracting 1. Okay. Let's see. N is equals to 0 because it's neutral, so it will be 0 already. Okay. Now the n is positive 0, so it will subtract the number by taking a loop, by reversing it. If we will not reverse, it will turns backwards, like the 0 1 2 3. Okay, like that. And in 3 do it simply prints the number forward. Okay. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll first do the negative one and make loop for I in range n comma 1, print I, and we need to print the I in a line, so we'll comma and is equals to. Okay, it will turns the loop nicely, make the loop nicely. Okay, we have to do positive one also, so we'll make for I in range. Let's see. So we need to make this n to 1 reverse, so we'll make a reverse method like this. Range n comma 1, I will use reverse function here, reversed bracket d. Okay, now let's check the loop. Print I comma end is equals to. Okay, let's submit the code. Let's see how it runs. No, the codes fail. Okay. Yo, my output is this. Okay, let's see. D is equals to. Okay. N to 1 or 1 to n. 1 to n. Let's see. It inputs the same. Oh, okay. We need to make these spaces here and a 0 here, a space and a 0. Now let's run the code, how it works. Okay, case was completed. Now let's submit the code. Let's see how it works. Okay, so thank you for watching this and goodbye.